Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Learn PTE Academic. Today's video is about the PTE writing module summarized written text. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start now. What is summarized written text? You will have a passage or text up to 300 words on your screen. You will have to read and summarize the passage in 10 minutes. But if you complete your summarized written text before 10 minutes, you can move to the next question. You need to write this summary in one sentence between 50 to 70 words. Your summary must be in a single sentence. If your summary contains more than one sentence, you got 0 marks in summarized written text. And words must be between 50 to 70 words. You got nothing on 49 or 71 words. So be careful about this. Guys, if you want to watch my videos on other topics, I attach all video links with the title in description. Summarized written text score contributes both in reading and writing. You will have 1 to 2 questions in the exam. Summarized written text score depends on 5 things. First one content, second one form, third one grammar, fourth one spelling, and fifth one vocabulary. Things to take care in summarized written text. You have to use only one full stop or question mark. You have to write between 50 to 70 words. You are not expected to cover everything, just the main idea. Satisfy the marking criteria, that's your job. Yes, you can use words or phrases from the passage. Method 1. Read the passage, got the idea, and frame a sentence by yourself. If it is difficult for you, you just select 3 to 4 sentences join using connectors. Change 1 to 2 words. You will see the same paragraph on exam day. But one thing to remember, copy, cut and paste option will not be working. For watching more informative videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and like and share the video. Speaking module, all question tips and tricks, videos link provided in description.